Black. Medrano long pass. Oh! The Euro step goes to the baseline. Middle floater bullseye to the baseline. Oh! And bounce pass number 11 to the corner. The floater bucket. And here's first ball possession for Team Pasukin. And here's Carriaga, pull up J, bucket, first block. And here's Team Sarat. And Medrano holds the ball, he dribble, he pass to the corner, inside pass, and a kicks out to the middle. And Bagawisan dribbling the ball, number 5. He passed to number 7, Carriaga. And he passed number 5, number 31. Inside pass, floater, block. Medrano long pass. And it's... Oh! The Euro step! Tira nun! And Carriaga picks. And pass. Sa 3, short. And rebound. Wait. Nakuha ngayon. Pass break. And here's Medrano. Easy bucket. Number 5 for Team Pasukin. Bagawisan. Number 6 to Bagawisan. To Gabay. Carriaga. Gabay for 3. Too strong. And that's Budoy. And pull up J. Bullseye for the inbound. And stolen. And a pass. Here's the number Dizal. Ace bucket. 7-point lead for Team Sarat. Matthews. Sumegwe goes to the baseline. To the middle. Floater. Bullseye. And a pass. Number 19. Pull up Jetri. Bang! Dizal. Team Pasukin. Bagawisan. And he pass to Carriaga. Inside pass. Reverse layup, tinap, board pa! And dribbling the ball. Kabinyan, he pass to Disa. Bounce pass to the corner. He spins. Bodoy, reverse layup. Wala. And another spins, fires. In and out pa rin. And the rebound by Disa. Pull up J. Bullseye. Disa. Bounce pass, number 11 to the corner. The floater. Bucket. And he pass. Far sa 3D shot. Shot won't go. Rebound. Pasukin is slow. Stolen. And he pass. Pinaikot pa kasi. And the bounce pass. Almost stolen. Recovery. Here's number 2. Pass on the inside. Fires block. Grabe na ilandit. And 8 down to 7. Inside pass. Picks. Kada ilandit pa rin. Grabe yun! And here's Medrano. He pass to the wings. Pass back Medrano. He goes to the left. He kicks out. Pinasahan si Rep. Rep, pinasahan ka. Team Pasukin. And a pass break. 2-on-1, 2-on-2. Race. He goes to the bucket. And a pass break. 2-on-1 ang laban. Goes to the rim. Bucket! At the buzzer, and that's it. And for the backdoor inbound, De La Cruz. And a fires, no good. And a block, and here's a pass break. Number 25, pinabitin, no good. And here's Team Pasukin, Sumegwe si Idol, he kicks out, pull-up jumper, bullseye. Team Bintar. Pass to the wings. And used to the screen. Sumigsag, passing to the middle, pull-up jumper off the glass. And 21-14 ang score natin. And still up by 7 and lays. Oh! Face-to-face lay. And here's number 6 to the corner. He step back for long 2, no good. Rebound Bintar. And a pass and bump. He fires off the glass, bucket. And a 12-point lead for Team Bintar. He pass to the corner, spins. Grabeng ganda sana kaso. Ayang yun. And the long pass to the baseline. Pinamekos. Oh! And here's Team Pasukin. And Harry. He pass to number 31. Napulot ni 12. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Medrano for the rebound. Behind the back dribble. And stolen. And side step plays. Bucket! Number 23. Stop pull-up jumper. Won't go. Rebound pasukin. And a pass. Pass back. Foul. And one. And a pass. Floater. No good. Rebound Goboy. Setting the play Goboy. To the middle. Naagawan. And whoops at block. Oh, na-block na Pisan. Pass inside, natapikan. Godoy. And Cabinyan goes to rim. Bucket. And here's Pix. Carriaga. Bumangga. Block. Not in my face. And again. Pass. Bucket again. Back to back to back. And crossover. Kicks out. Pix. Carriaga. Goes to the rim. Pass. Not traveling. And pass break 1-on-1. Pinasa. Cabinyan of the glass. Bucket. Tolen. Gabay. Gabay. Tuloy-tuloy. Oh, nilipat pa sa bila yung And 7 seconds in the game clock. Face. Bucket. And that's the end. And here's Tim Bintar. Natapikan. Stolen. 2-on-1 ang laban. Pinasa pabalik. Fast of the glass. Bucket. Yan with the ball. Pass to Disa. Disa. Didiskarte. Sumisigsag. Attacks. Pull up jumper of the glass. Bullseye. Here's Gabay. He pass. De La Cruz. Number 31. And here's number 7. Carriaga goes. Kicks out. Sa tres. Na good. Too strong. Diza. Sa gitna. Godoy. Cabinyan to Diza. Diza. Sa tres. Na good. Rebound. Godoy. Pietrix Spice. Bucket. Godoy. And he stops. And Carriaga for 3. Bang! Off the glass. And here's Cabinyan. He's at the top. He used the screen. Stops. Number Godoy. Number 45. Corner pass. Drives. Pass to Biggs. Fire. Block! And that's Matthews. Gabay. Race to the hoop. Boyers of the glass. No good. Rebound. And here's Cabinyan. Attacks. Kicks out. Sa tres. Bang! Disa! Cabinyan. He stop. Cabinyan spins. To the corner. Godoy. Pass to the middle. Nice block. Matthews na naman. Here's Matthews. Diretso. Matthews from Cabinyan. Inside pass. Is stolen. And pass to the middle. Gabay leads. Bullseye. And down to 5-point lead. And here's Medrano. Medrano. Gumuho to gitna. Sa fires of the glass. Medrano. Still 5-point lead for Team Binta. What's this? Sarat. And kicks out. Sa tres. No good. Rebound De La Cruz. High pass. And he's 2-on-1. Diretso. Rebound put back. Bucket. At down to 3. James. And bounce pass. And Godoy. And posting up spins. Pass. James. Bucket for 2. Gabay with the ball. High pass. Yes, Villa. Here's Carriaga, use the screen. To the middle, open for 3. Bang! And rebound. 3 on tong laban. He fires. Bullseye and 1! Gabay. To the middle. Kicks out. Sa Gabay. Inside pass is stolen. Godoy and pass break. Pinasa. Pimira. And seconds to play. 7 seconds. Down to 4. Sa 3. Bang! And 1! At the basket! Kicks out. Disa. Attacks Bumanga. Inside pass. Libreng-libre. Bakit? Godoy. Par 3. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Goes to Sarat. Par. No good. And rebound. Carriaga. 3 on 1. 3 on 2. 4 pass. Matus. Bakit? And down to 6-point lead. High pass. And a pass back is James. And posting up for Godoy. Godoy is stolen. Matthews, he pass to the middle. Gapay, floater. Bakit? Gapay. Here's the bounce pass to the middle. Pull up Jay Godoy. Bullseye. And here's Gapay. Gapay, he pass the ball. Cross pass. And Matthews, pinasahan dun sa bilang. Oop na recover. And here's Medrano. Here's for the inbound. And pass, 1 bounce to the middle. And lace, Godoy, no good. And Eric Stoven, pull up Jet, the free throw, bucket! 5. And 5 minutes, 10 seconds left on the final quarter. De La Cruz, pull up J, short. And a pass break. Medrano sumisigsag, Medrano goes to the middle, fast. And 1, Medrano. Here's Cabinyan, pass to Medrano. Cabinyan, Disa bounce pass. Inabitin, Godoy, bakit? Oy! Nagpagpa. And here's Tim, pasukin.
Gabay pa rin.
Gabay, falling away. No good. Bitaw yung bola, Medrano. Pass. Cabinyan, pinabitin. And 1, Cabinyan.
Medrano sa labas. Wala.
That's it.
Rebound pick up by Matthews.
And attacks. Please. Bakit? Carriaga. Medrano. Medrano use the screen. Medrano. Lace too strong.
By number 11.
And Carriaga goes to the middle. Takes fire. Bakit? Godoy. Pass to Disa. Use the screen. Pass to the middle. Godoy. Godoy. Pull up G. Godoy. Bullseye. And pass to the middle. De La Cruz dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. Open for 3. He launch. Bang! And that's the end of the game. Congratulations.